are going inside the tent house.
Yeah!
So now let's go and see what is there in your tent house.
That's just nothing. That's just nothing.
Oh my god, what is this? You have so many planets. Wow, what is that one? Which planet it is?
Saturn.
Okay. And what is this one on your back? Yeah, what is that one? Yeah.
It's a space station.
Wow, that's amazing.
And look at it. It just went like over here.
Okay. And what is here? Oh my god.
A very cold planet.
What is that? Which planet?
Uranus.
Okay. And what is this one?
Neptune.
My god, this looks awesome.
This is the watery planet and this is the ice planet.
Really?
Yeah.
So water is not there? It's only ice?
Yeah.
And in this, it has only water?
Yeah.
Okay. And let's see what is here. Which one is this one?
Venus?
No, I think the name is written.
June. It looks like. It seems like Venus because
But the name is written as Jupiter. Right?
maybe let me just check on the back.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, it's Jupiter only. It's written in Ulta. Okay, and what is this one? This one.
Jupiter, the large planet.
Oh, large is Jupiter. Then what is that?
Venus?
Okay.
I don't know if it is Venus or no.
Okay.
Some planets are even hidden somewhere.
Yeah, looks like some.
Oh, wait. If you actually see up here, you actually see UFOs.
Oh my god.
That is like so cool. That's like so cool.
Yes, that's nice. So this is your little area.
Yeah, my little. Wait, guys. Look behind.
Okay.
There's actually Earth. Our planet.
Oh my god. Earth, yes.
Yay! This is where we live.
Oh my god. This.
And look at the rockets just blasting off.
Oh my god. That's cool, man.
Yeah.
And what is here? There's nothing in this one?
Yeah, there's just some UFOs.
Okay. And what is in the top?
We have a lookout window.
Oh my god, that's cool. This looks awesome, man.
Yeah, so that you can like look out the sky and just see the clouds.
Right. So this tent house, we ordered it from
Amazon and it's delivered on the mailbox.
Yes, so we got it on Amazon and this is really cool.
If you guys want to get it, you can get it for only like just $50.
Was it $50 or less? I think it was just $35.
Yeah, so you can get it for $35.
35 or 39, I don't remember exactly. But yes, it was like that. But this is really cool, right?
Yeah.
Lot of planets. If your favorite is planet system, then you should get this tent house, right?
Yeah. And you can even put a chair in this, man.
Really? Chair inside this?
I don't think that's a great idea, but we'll end the video, guys. Bye!
Okay. I will put the link of Amazon in the description box. Okay?
Yeah.
See you guys. Bye. Have fun.
Bye!
Subscribe and like this video.